children of my own. They ask their mother, what will they be? Will they be handsome? Will they be rich? I got them tenderly. What to say to Tita Lynn?
Thank you.
Why?
Cooked chicken.
Oh, cooked chicken. How about this? Whoa, what is that?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh.
Buy pizza. Thank you.
That's for Papa also. Kay Papa Manny.
Thank you, Papa.
And I miss you, Papa.
And I miss you. I love you.
Oh.
Bye.
Hi. Hi. Yes. Up, 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 up. Whoa. Yeah, it's a public place, and of course people has to enjoy. Kids, it's Saturday in the Philippines. Look, and there's a lot of pebbles, right? This is all for free. Of course you have to rent a little bit. Yeah, that one. So what's that? What's that? Ah, huh? Sliced bread. Video mo na? Video mo na? Oh, okay. Hi. Ah, you're happy?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa and Mama. Bye. I love you. Bye.
Are you happy?